Hi, welcome back, my dear student. On this lecture here, I want to show you the most popular HTML tags there are. All right. So I'm going to show you the most popular one, and after following this lecture here, I'm going to show you some other popular ones, but in individual lectures, since they require a little bit more time to do. So let's go ahead and start. So let's go to a blank.html and let's do a save as on it. All right, and let's call this document popular tags, underscore tags. And I always put an underscore for every second word. All right, that's very useful best practice when you are coding. Right, you don't want to have files with spaces there. All right, so let's see this in the browser by clicking on that lightning bolt right here. All right, so now I want to show you, I want to start with a paragraph. And I'm going to show you a way to actually get content that we call in web development dummy text or dummy content. So let's go to Lorem Ipsum. Let's just look it up online on Google. And as you can see here, it's going to find this website called Lipsum. I'm going to click there. And here, this is dummy text. It really doesn't mean anything. Generate. And it's going to generate some new dummy content, and I'm just gonna copy this. All right, and we're gonna go back here. We're gonna open a p tag and close it, and we're gonna paste all that content in here. There we go, and save. Now let me make this a little smaller. There we go. I think we were too big before, right? Let's go back here, and then we have this paragraph right here, right? Let's make this a little smaller too. All right, perfect. So we have this paragraph right here, and we need it because I want to show you something. We already seen the paragraph tag and the heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. So let me show you how you bold things in HTML. So let me show you this tag that we can use inside the p tag. So I'm just gonna go to the second word right here and just open a strong tag and close it. Right? Our editor is gonna do that for us. I'm gonna command X like X-Men or control X and cut it and then paste it by control V as Victor or command V for Mac users, of course. And as you can see right here, if I refresh, you see this is bolded now. It's a different color, is darker and it's thicker text. All right. So that's one popular tag, and let me show you another one. So if I go here to this Palentesque word there, I'm going to use the I to italicize this. Actually, there we go. And I'm just gonna cut it and paste it right in front of it. So you can see I wrapped that word around it, and it's seen like this here. As you can see, the text looks different. It's italicized, just like you do in a code editor, in a Word or Microsoft Word or something like that, or a Word editor. So now let's use another one. Let's use a black quote. So I'm going to copy some content from here, and I'm going to open a block quote, actually right here, block quote, and close it. And then in between here, I'm just gonna put this down here because space doesn't matter, right? I'm gonna paste that content and let's see what it does. And as you can see, refresh, so we take that line out. This basically puts the text apart from everything else in a quote format, right? Very useful, and that's when you are writing articles and other things like that. Another one that I want to show you is, and I'm gonna put it right in between here. I'm just gonna make this a little tighter, and it's called the HR, horizontal rule. That's just gonna make a line, as you can see here. All right, it's gonna divide our content. Another one, and I'm going to show you that here, I think we got time, is a div tag, and it's written like this, div. All right, and this is actually one of the most popular one, the div, because this is like a container. Basically, you enclose everything inside this container here. Like, let's say, for example, you want to enclose all your content in your body tag inside a div tag. All right, so we paste it in here. Let's go back to it and we can refresh here and we can see nothing here because the div is just a container. Later on, I'm going to show you how to use the div to separate content in your HTML document and do other things with it. But anyway, I think we are done with the popular tags in this lecture here. On the next lectures, I'm going to show you some other popular tags that we need individual lectures to do because they require a little bit more time, like making images, making links, and just some other ones there. All right. So hopefully you like this lecture here, and I'm glad I was able to teach it to you. Take care. Have an awesome day, and I see you in the next one.